What's happening, everybody? It is Jason's Tiki Adventures. I'm back with another Tiki mug unboxing, and I gotta be honest with you, I'm very worried. When there are numerous signs on the outside of the box that there's gonna be a problem, yikes. All right, for starters, I am all for using boxes. I've done it my whole online selling career that's been going on for 22 years now. But there is a point where the box is no longer good to be used as a box. Boxes wear out. They are not a forever thing. You cannot ship a box 5, 6, 7 times. 2 for sure, and 3 maybe. But other than that, it's pretty much shot at that point. This box was used as a coloring book, apparently, and it is just, it's not solid anymore. It's very squishy, and I can see that you can push in. That means there's not enough packing material in there. Also, they went up to the counter to pay. That is the most expensive way to ship any packages. Never, ever go to the postal counter. Think about it this way. When you rent a car at the airport for a vacation, when you return it, if you get gas at the gas station that's the last exit before the airport, it'll be the most expensive. But if you get gas 4 miles back, way cheaper. Going to the post office counter is like getting gas at that last gas station before the airport. All right. Also, writing fragile doesn't do any good if you don't pack it well. So this box already being compromised. I'm yikes. Well, that's not a good sign either. Look, newspaper is never packing material for many reasons. A, it gets your customers' hands dirty. B, it's heavier than peanuts and bubble wrap. And C, it just doesn't fill the voids like peanuts would. Oh, that's not a good sound. Ay. By the way, there are 3 mugs and a salt and pepper shaker in here. Also, kind of on the small side, so we'll see. But there is only 1 mug I really want out of this whole collection. So we shall see. Well, there is bubble inside it, but oh my, I can feel the multitude of pieces this Westwood mug is in. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, here you go. Would you like a piece? Would you like to make a puzzle? Well, the drink will be very short. More like a shot. All right, we are not off to a good start. Beat up box and newspaper, and there's really no pop to these bubbles. Equals not good packing material. But that was not the mug I really wanted out of this collection. All right, there's no sounds coming out of this mug, so that's good. All right, bubble all the way around. This looks like it's in one piece. So let's cut it open. Now, this is not a particularly rare mug or expensive mug, and it's weird how the sword has a curve, but I've always liked this mug, and I've never had one. From the Pirate House in Savannah, Georgia. Now I have one, and hey, it made it in one piece. Woohoo! All right, this feels like a salt and pepper shaker. One or both, I'm not sure. All right, both are in here. Oh, okay, here's another little tip. You're gonna send vintage salt and pepper shakers. If they're full, put a little piece of the blue painter's tape. Look, this is all pepper in here. Now, if I was deathly allergic to pepper, I mean, now there's just pepper everywhere now. I'm gonna guess there's gonna be salt too, so I whip up some eggs and I got salt and pepper. All right, well, they made it one piece. There they go. Oh, they're Florida ones. Ta-da. Okay, and last but not least is the actual mug I wanted. Man, it was sitting right against the corner, and you can see how wrinkled this box is. This corner is just beat. Feels solid, and there's a reason I'm wearing the shirt I'm wearing today for this unboxing, and that will be evident in a second here once I get this mug out. All right, it feels in one piece, so yay. Phew. All right, so if you've not seen this mug before, Janice and Brandon, September 25th, 2016. It's a personalized rum barrel from Tiki Farm. And Brandon, known in the Tiki world as Trader Brandon, was one of the people in charge of basically putting together Trader Sam's, the Tiki bar at Disneyland, and then the part 2 at Disney World. So that's from his wedding. These are rare. They come up every once in a blue moon. And now I got one. Would have liked to have my Westwood with it too, but oh well. I got a good deal. So what we have learned today is don't use a box more than 2 or 3 times. Don't use newspaper, and don't go to the counter to pay too much. Why pay the man more than you have to? All right, thanks for checking out this little video. You can find Jason's Tiki Adventures on Facebook, where I have mugs for sale, mug unboxings, Tiki bar reviews, and I am currently running the Polynesian Pop Tiki Collectors Facebook group. There will be a link down below to join. Come on over. It's a free group. We talk about all sorts of Tiki things, and hopefully I'll see you around the Tiki bar. Kole Maluna.